The composites world is changing faster than ever, but critical knowledge is scattered. Tools don't talk to each other, and experts are stretched thin. Engineers jump between disconnected software, manual workflows, and isolated data. Progress slows. Innovation stalls. Introducing compositesAI. One environment, one expert system built on decades of validated engineering knowledge. It can consolidate everything, from technical publications and textbooks to simulation tools and expert insights. No guesswork, no fragmentation, and human experts stay in the loop, ensuring accuracy, authority, and trustworthiness in every result. Run multi-physics simulations, explore design options, and automate repetitive workflows, all from one comprehensive system. Try compositesAI today at compositesAI.com.